Okay, now this beginning is important. I was going to tell that's what I meant to tell you. Boo! Whoop! Boo! 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 Whoop! Bop! Beep! Bop! Boop! Bop! Boo! Boo! Bop! Boo! Bop! Whoop! Boop! 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 Family therapy time. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Oh, is Johnny Cash here? I went down, down, down. Flames went higher, and it burned, burned, burned. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. Hold on now. In just a few minutes, we're going to really try hard to sing you a song. Know why, Ma?
Why?
Live from the Broiler Room. It's a really big old-time radio medicine show. 3 Chords and the Truth, starring Molly Griffin and her old dog, Lou. I'm not the dog, Lou.
No, he's here in spirit.
There's something wrong with me, Ma. My pick was on the wrong side of the Capolini.
Ah, Capolini. Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring.
It's just a weird state of being that Mother Nature puts you in to make sure you procreate.
Mm-hmm.
Love. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah.
We talk a lot about love, don't we? We're the love machine. Oh, we're going to sing him? Okay, just a minute. We sent the limo for you. Groovy old limo, right? Old black limo. Man, it's going to pull up just outside the door to your mind. Just after the song that Jimmy Joe, the driver, is putting on the radio. It's back from the 1960s, I believe.
50s.
It's actually a fabulous old country song.
53.
Actually from the Martins and McCoys.
Okay, what are you talking about?
The Dean of the Martins, McCoy. Isn't that who it is?
No. Yes.
Yes, it is. Don't contradict me. You just say, right, Dad. That's all you got to ever say. Just say, right, Dad. We're supposed to do it in A, aren't we?
I guess so.
Oh, you're scared?
I'm trying to.
Oh, well.
No. Let's do it in A. Let's do it in A. And
All
we'll
right.
know.
Well, okay. It's okay. We're going to try real hard in just a minute. Dean of the Martins and the McCoys. I think his name was probably Taglioleti or something. His real name.
Capolini.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling. You're gonna know you're in love. Gonna walk in a dream. No, you're not dreaming, signore. Screws on me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore.
Screws on me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore.
When the stars seem to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.
That's amore.
Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling. You're gonna know you're in love. You're gonna walk in a dream. No, you're not dreaming, signore. Screws on me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore.
Me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
That's amore.
Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling. You're gonna know you're in love.
Oh, love.
Gonna walk in a dream. No, you're not dreaming, signore. Scusa me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore. Scusa me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore. Scusa me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore. That's amore. Martins and McCoys, yes sirree. Molly, just in case I forget, I gotta tell you that you're probably gonna want to go to the Smoky Mountain Christmas show at the Stanley Theater.
Oh, I think I have a ticket for it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, see, you were way ahead of me.
I can't go, though.
I thought you wanted to let your sister know that.
Oh, yeah, no, she got tickets.
It's a dolly.
Yeah, they won't let me in.
Not in the flesh, I don't think. No. Okay, the old limo is pulling up just outside the door to your mind because we've got to go take a ride out in the country road. It's like a pleasure dome decree in the back of this old limo. And we got to take a ride out the country road, and we're going to hit the cornfield along the way where all the old artists live now. They run their still, and the corn liquor still in there. And they come out of the cornfield like Kevin Costner's Field of Dreams, only they're not baseball players, they're singers, right?
Yeah.
And they they request us to sing their songs in a different and strange way. And then after we're done with that, we head on out the station, finish the show out there, which is back here. And so,
What's going on over there?
because it's a psychedelic prairie home companion, is what it is. So now we got to ride. Get in the limo. Just shut up and get in the limo.
We're gonna take a ride. We're gonna take a ride.
Hey!
Past the honky tonk.
Yeah, up past the honky tonk.
And past the
county line. Through the amber waves of green.
Through those waves of green.
And past the dairy cow.
With their big brown eyes.
To the old cornfield of green.
Cornfield of green.
Only Molly can see these guys.
Cornfield of green. Cornfield of green. It's a bunch of guys, Dad. We got Jerry Lee Lewis. We got
Cornfield
Elvis.
of green.
We got some other guys. Fats Domino,
Oh
maybe.
no, my God! What? You want like a rockabilly?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Chaos. Well, fear, the great motivator.
Yeah.
Fear, the great motivator.
I'll turn myself down a little bit.
I don't know how I ever learned these songs because, way too young to know these songs. Sure do. Do you know what key they're in?
No, you just do them all over the place. You can do them right there, probably. You probably know. Do you know? You know what key they're in?
When you say those words all over the place to me, my brain goes, no problem. I can do that. I don't know what's going to happen, man. Is Jerry Lee out there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Go.
You screwed me up now. How's that one start then, that chicken coop one?
Shake man, everything you have.
Okay, hold on. I did it come along, baby. Whole lot of shaking going on.
Shaking going on.
Did it come along, baby. We got the chicken in the corn.
Got a whole lot of chicken.
I ain't faking. There's a whole lot of shaking going on. I said, shake it, baby, shake it. I said, shake it, baby, shake it. Oh, twiddle it around just a little bit. That's all you gotta do. I said, come along, baby. A whole lot of shaking going on. You go ahead and sing that other one.
Like, you shake my nerves and you're bad on my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You broke my will, what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
You had your love and you thought it was funny. You came along and you wooed me, honey. me change my mind, look fine, say goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Kiss my baby, ooh, feel good. Hold me, baby. I want to love you like I love should. You're fine on mine. I can tell this world that you're mine on mine. Number ain't twiddle my thumb. Real nervous, but it sure is fun. Come on, baby. You drive me crazy. Goodness gracious, great ball of fire. Bum, bobby, up, bum. I want to get back to the other one. Bobby, up, bobby, up, bum. Shake, shake, rattle and roll.
Come on, baby.
Take me back there. Oh, yeah, okay, I got it. Oh, they come along, baby. Whole lot of shaking going on.
Lot of shaking and a chicken in the corn.
Oh, they come along, baby. We got the chicken in the corn.
We're shaking all the chicken in the corn.
I ain't picking. Well, there's a whole lot of shaking going on. I ain't picking. There's a whole lot of shaking going on. Did you have Elvis on?
Yeah.
What do
Ain't nothing but a hound dog crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog crying all the time.
Right on time.
You ain't never got a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine.
Well, they said you was high class, but that was just a lie. Well, they said you was high class.
They were right.
Oh man, that was just a lie. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Said you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. What about Fast Tom?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
What one?
Come on, baby.
No, hold up. I found my thrill. Keep going fast. On Blueberry Hill. On Blueberry Hill. Where I found you, and the moon stood still. Oh, on Blueberry Hill. Oh, we lingered until my dream came true. The wind in the willow played love's sweet melody. But all those vows we made, oh, never to be. Oh, we're apart. Hey, a part of me still, 'cause you were my thrill, way down on Blueberry Hill. Oh, you were my thrill, way on down in Blueberry Hill. Bobby, oh, Blueberry Hill. Okay, go back in the cornfield, you guys. It was, did they like it? Is Fats okay in there with all those white country singers from days gone by?
Yeah, I think those guys.
Yeah, they're all. They got most of their stuff from the black guys, so they're, you know.
Yeah. Black woman, Rosetta Tharpe.
Ooh, Rosetta Thorpe. No, but all the blues people. Hank Williams was down there, you know.
Well, I know. It's never just one person.
I went down to the river to watch the fish swim by. When I got to the river, so lonesome I wanted to cry. Well, then I jumped in the river, but the doggone river was dry. Well, she's a low on, go on now. Low on some blue. Okay, are you mocking me? You're mocking me. Okay, say it.
Lonesome blue.
Okay, tell Hank and the boys that's all they get. That's all they get. That's all they're getting. We got to get going.
Get back in the
because the girlies' toes are getting hot.
Everybody get back on the
limousine. No, listen, the girlies' toes are getting hot. Will you listen to me?
Get on the old country road.
Toe.
Yeah.
Hanging out of the window. Somebody sees a great big tower. Ooh, 50,000 watts. It's HGHRT. Is there for you and me?
Is there for you and me?
Brought to you by Alice's Restaurant and General Store.
Get anything you want.
Anything you want.
Down at Alice's
Down in a restaurant. Okay, we're pulling the old radio station, go up to the front desk and see Betty Page in her cigarette girl uniform. Yeah, boom! Give me your special tea with the ayahuasca and whatnot in it. You never know what's in it. Send you downstairs here to the psychedelic Prairie Home Companion for the really big old time radio medicine. Molly, I want to be called Reverend Doc.
Okay.
Reverend Doc.
Okay.
We'll see what it sounds like. The really big old time radio medicine show, 3 Chords and the Truth, starring Molly Griffin and her old dog Dewey.
And the Reverend Dr. Dewey. No,
okay.
it screws me up.
It's okay.
And the Reverend Dr. No.
Reverend Doc.
You really threw a wrench in my whole thing.
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
And the Reverend Dr.
Don't
Joey
try.
G2 coming to you live from
Yep.
station GHRT in the virtual haystack in your mind, where the show always starts in 5 minutes. And we don't spin the tunes on the turntable, we spin them on our souls. So kick back, chill out, and relax to the mellow
We spin
sounds
them
of
on our
the singing DJ.
Spin 'em on our soul. Sometimes we spin 'em on our soul. Ba-ba-dee-dee-um, ba-be-um, 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 ba-boom, ba-um, ba-ba-be-um, ba-be-um. Okay, I'm not going to say much heavy tonight. I'm just going to say one thing, that this show is an exact nutshell, reproduction, microcosm, whatever word you want to use for that, of the evolutionary process. It starts out with great fear and chaos. And little by little, with harmony and hilarity, we work it on down to door number 2, order and security.
Working on down.
That's the last heavy thing I'll ever say in my life.
Good. Thank God.
You can go down to Patreon and read all my discoveries down there.
How about a song about a truck driving man, Dad? Truck driving man.
What key did the truck driving man want the song in? Oh, you got to
F.
tell everybody about the 3 songs.
Yes, we've been getting these 3 songs ready. This is the 3rd round of practice before we do the trailers.
Yeah, we do 3 shows. The first show, they're terrible because it's our first time. Second show, they're slightly less terrible.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
This one is like, what, poor?
The least terrible.
And then when they get to the trailers, they're fair.
Yeah.
To average.
Hopefully.
You know, because they're free.
F.
They're really fair. They're free. Huh?
F.
F. Okay, well, that's my favorite chord. Because they're all the same for me. Because I use the Capolini. Yep. Sure do. What's wrong? Yeah, I know. Crackly, crackly. What are we doing now?
Truck driving man.
I stopped at a road house in Texas. It was a little place called Hamburger Den. Well, I heard that old jukebox play, song about a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee. He's the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox. Play that truck driving man.
Play that truck driving man.
Well, I climbed back aboard my old semi. Then like a flash I was gone. Well, I got them old truck wheels a-rolling. I'm on my way to San Antonio by George Strait's house. I said, pour me another cup of coffee. It is the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox. Play that truck driving man. Play that truck driving man. I'll play that old truck driving man. Bobby-o, Bobby-o, bo. Because Buck Owens fell into a ring of fire.
Yeah.
And wrote Truck driving man.
He sure did.
Whenever he needed a song, he didn't, you know, he just wrote it.
You just wrote it down.
Yeah, it's a lot easier on the process. You don't want to be. Never mind. I won't. I'll tell you later. Okay. Okay, this is it. We're trying real hard now. What? Hey, I need the good book because I got just so much to say here. For God's sake, when did all the cool guys become gay?
They always were.
And all the cool girls are kind of, they look like hookers and sluts. No, this is what a guy asked me. He asked me this, and so
Yeah.
I said, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I know some people.
Mm-hmm.
My daughter and her husband, they're all millennials and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So I said I would ask them.
Yeah.
I don't really know because I'm a hermit. I live in a cave.
Everyone just became a little more feminine. 'Cause it's
Is it working?
maybe. We'll find out. See how the next generation turns
Are
out.
you being dominated by China by any chance?
Let's sing this song.
There's sneaky little bugs. You want me to send you another sneaky little bug there? Trade talks. Bugs become a part of the trade talks.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Wait a minute. Molly, you keep covering up. Here, I got real exciting stuff here. They said to put the sex in the show. So we're asking, what do you want to know when you're on a first date with a guy?
What do you want to know?
To get to know him really good so you can know whether to dump him right away or keep him, right?
Yeah.
Well, the one girl said, ask him what kind of underwear he wears. Briefs? No, jockeys? Briefs? Thongs or commando? And so the DJ is going, what do you think you're going to find out from this? And she, the question was obviously too complex for her to answer short while she was there, but she did say, well, he says, what if it's commandos? She says, commandos? Okay. Thong? No good. I thought that would be kind of right. Ah, shit. Now what? Asleep at the wheel. Oh, yeah, they caught a girl going down with her, you know, the electric guy?
Yeah, Tesla.
Tesla. Sound asleep on the bridge over here.
Oh, my God.
Sound asleep. And you know they only pinched her $400. Oh, it's bizarre. Tech has become God to a lot of people. They really trust it. They trust the cars.
Wait, was this a
they
self-driving
trust the
car?
vaccines.
This wasn't a self-driving car. This is just her car.
Well, it was a Tesla. They're all self-driving, aren't they?
No. They're just like electric.
Well, it must have been self-driving. It was driving down the
Was
bridge.
it?
Yeah. No, they're not. And there's something else. They're supposed to have, the guy got into this.
Mm-hmm.
They're supposed to have a goodie in them, so if the person becomes unconscious, something happens and it stops or something.
And it didn't work.
Didn't work.
Great.
Oh, God. The new...
Hey, you know
The new God.
You know there's a light on the front porch.
You know why?
Why?
Because I brought it back from the burning ring of fire. Put it up on the porch. Okay, I'll do it.
Oh, wait. G sharp. That's G sharp. Okay, we're good.
That's what I love about this show, Mom. There's always a light on the front porch. Don't forget the keys under the mat. When childhood stars shine, always stay humble and kind. Go to church when your mama says to. Visit your grandpa every chance that you can. It won't be wasted time. Always stay humble and kind. Hold the door, say please and say thank you. Don't cheat and don't steal and don't lie. You got the mountains to climb. Always stay humble and kind.
You got mountains to climb. Always stay humble and kind.
And when the dreams that you're dreaming come to you, and when the work you put in is realized, let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind.
Let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind.
Don't expect a free ride from no one. Don't hold a grudge or a chip, and here's why. Bitterness keeps you from flying. Always stay humble and kind.
Bitterness keeps you from flying. You always stay humble and kind.
Know the difference between sleeping with someone and sleeping with someone you love. I love you ain't no pickup line. Always stay humble and kind.
Love you ain't no pickup line, so always stay humble and kind.
Go to church, say please and say thank you.
Don't steal,
Don't cheat and don't lie. You got mountains to climb. Always stay humble and kind.
Yeah, you got mountains to climb, so always stay humble and kind.
And when those dreams that you're dreaming come to you, and when the work you put in is realized, let yourself feel the pride. Always stay humble and kind.
Let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind.
And when it's hot, eat a root beer popsicle. Shut up the AC and roll the windows all down, and let your summer sun shine. Always stay humble and kind.
Let your summer sunshine, always stay humble and kind.
Don't take for granted the love that life gives you. And when you get to where you're going, don't forget to turn back around and help the next one in line. Always stay humble and kind.
Help the next one in line, and always stay humble and kind.
Hold the door, say please and say thank you. Don't cheat and don't steal and don't lie. You got the mountains to climb. Always stay humble and kind.
You got mountains to climb, always stay humble and kind.
And when those dreams that you're dreaming come to you, and when the work you put in is realized, let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind.
Let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind. Humble and kind.
You know that old light, she still shines on the front porch. And don't forget, the key's under the mat. And when childhood stars shine, always stay humble and kind.
Always stay humble and kind.
And go to church when your mama says to. Visit your grandpa every chance that you can. It won't be wasted time. Always stay humble and kind. It won't be wasted time. Always stay humble and kind. Where were you? Hey, it won't be wasted time. Always stay humble and kind. Humble and and kind. Oh, humble and kind. It won't be wasted time. Always stay humble and kind. Hey, yeah, not quite there yet, but
Almost.
we'll get it there. Yeah. All right, you got another one?
Yeah, change. You can change your mind.
Woo!
Joe
my
Griffin
God.
original.
Oh, you can change your mind. But know what happened first time I made $100 million?
What happened?
I got bored and despondent.
Mm.
Just thought I'd let you know that. That's why I like to go back to broke every time. Work my way up.
Yeah.
Only moments from now, you'll be listening to us. What?
Sing. You already said that. We're done.
No, we're gonna sing now, aren't we?
Yeah.
And what is it called?
You can change. You can change your mind.
Oh well, this is about all my work.
Yeah.
This is about the reframe.
Yeah.
Cognitive behavioral therapy's main, it's the old 80-20 rule. Most of it's done by reframe.
Yeah.
Quit looking at me like you don't understand the thing I say. You got this blank look in your face.
Yeah.
It doesn't make a person feel good when they're saying important shit to you. You know what I mean? Now listen. Oh, okay. I wrote this, so
You did.
so I got to get really weird because I hate.
Trying to get rid of the blank look, Dad.
I only like to sing other people's songs.
License all this one.
What song is it again?
You can change your mind.
Don't believe me? Listen to this song. Some days you're just living. Some days you feel alive. Some days you're barely breathing. Oh, you're just trying to survive. But you can flip your record over. Put it on the other side. Yeah, you can change.
You can change.
You can change your mind. Sometimes it might feel a little strange. Yeah, but you can change your mind. Just flip it on over. Put it on the old B-side.
Flip it on over. Put it on the old B-side.
You could write yourself a letter.
You write that letter.
Telling you just how bad it's been.
How bad has it been?
Then you can send it off to someone who might care about the shape you're in.
Might care a little bit.
Or get yourself some bigger pictures and let your record spin again.
Spin on again.
Oh, you can change. You can change your mind.
You can change your mind.
It might feel a little strange,
It's gonna feel a bit strange.
but you can change your mind.
You can change your mind.
Just flip your record over
Over
and put it on the other side. Hey, you could go on a journey.
Go on your journey.
Traveling's good to feed your head.
Your
You can find some evolution, just like old Charlie Darwin said.
What did old Charlie Darwin say?
Or you can find yourself some meaning and maybe heaven for your day.
Oh,
yeah, you can change.
You can change.
You can change your mind. It might feel a little strange. Oh, but you can change your mind.
You can change your mind.
Get yourself some bigger pictures and put it on the other side. Oh, you can change.
Change.
Yeah, you can change your mind. Yeah, take it down. You could change. You could change your mind. It might feel a little strange, but you can change your mind. Oh, flip it all on over. Put it on the other side. Oh, flip it on over. Put it on the other side. We need an end for this. You could change. See? Just came to me in a blinding light, Ma. Just stop, Joe. Stop right in the middle of everything. You'll freak everybody out. And just like that gay guy down in London said, shock and amuse, right? What was his name? Come on. Never mind. Okay, that was a hell of a show, wasn't it? Your life will never be the same because of determinism. You go down to Drippin' Patreon and get the evolution connection for the time being. Now keep the cards and letters coming in. We'll see you in the funny papers. And have yourselves a good old Dolce Vita.